morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. You guys can't come outside. No.
Come here.
No. Alright guys, I got most of my quilt cut out last night, or all of my quilt actually, I should say. So I'm not sure if I'll have any time to sew today, but let's hope so. We have kind of a busy day today. Anyways, this is what it looks like before it turns into something amazing. Time for day 19. By the way, I can't believe it's already day 19. This is going so fast. Ooh, this one's pretty. Oh, and there's a little treat in there. Uh-oh. She put some chocolate in here and it must have gotten mushed into my yarn. Bummer. Okay, well there was a cute little chocolate, but I think the yarn is okay actually. Here we go. Look at how pretty this one is. It's a purpley pink with some green mixed in. Oh, that's pretty cool. And I think I got all the chocolate off. So here's the chocolate. I probably won't eat it because it's got little fibers all in it, but yeah, bummer. Oh well, I think I got it off the yarn. That's the important thing. Okay, so here's my progress. I added this purpley color last night. It was this one. And I don't know, what do you think for... This one is really close, so we probably shouldn't put that one in.
I'm not going to put that one right there, but I do like that.
Maybe one of the blues. We haven't used that one yet.
I feel like I was going to do this one and then I was going to do this one.
Oh yeah, this one's pretty too. We haven't used that one yet.
So I think we're going to go with this blue.
This blue, and then maybe that purple or
because it's got
lighter.
that color in there.
Okie dokie. Let's wind her up. Alright, so I am on my way out to Bennett to pick up Haley. She stayed the night at a friend's house and they are riding their horse. If I can, when I get there, I will film a little bit. You probably will recognize him. She should be riding Mo, and he was in some of our summer vlogs. Tell us how your slumber party was? It wasn't really a slumber party, sleepover.
Yeah, it was fun. We just went riding and made fudge and watched a few movies, and yeah.
Cool. At least it was nice outside. It's like 52 today, so.
Oh yeah, it was nice yesterday too, although this morning actually I had my sweatshirt on because it was windy.
Yeah. That's okay. The horses probably are happy to get out and you got to ride a little bit and have fun. So. Alright, I have all of the girls in the car. We are going to, Katie has a hockey lesson and then we're going to go decorate gingerbread cookies. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam didn't want to come. Alright, this is Katie's present from her coach. Wasn't that nice of her? All the flavors. The problem is she has,
Races.
so I'm gonna have to eat that for you.
No, I can still stuff in them.
Dad and I'll eat it for you.
No.
Alright, let's go.
Has a newborn.
A newborn. Yay. Newborn.
Oh,
Isn't he cute?
yeah, he's adorable.
Alright, good night, birdies. End of the day, the birdies go back in their cage. Good night. Tonight's tea is called mulled wine. It sounds really good. This is what it looks like. Let's see how it tastes. do you have on pajama pants like you're trying to cover up your pajama pants with a blanket? Shh. 1, 2, 3. It smells really good. It tastes weird. Or is it just me?
No, it definitely tastes weird. What is it?
It's like bitter. I don't even know. It smells delicious. It's called mulled wine. Warmed.
Dude, it's moldy wine.
Warming spiced
Oh, mold,
orange.
not mold.
Mulled. M-U-L-L-E-D. Mulled wine. And it smells just like that, like mulling spices.
I don't know.
But it tastes weird. What's in there? I can't read it.
Oolong tea, apple, orange peel, cinnamon,
Pineapple?
clove buds,
Maybe. I don't know.
ginger, natural flavoring.
I don't know. Take another. I think the second drink's better.
It's wearing on me. I'll drink anything.
It's wearing on you or growing on you? Sorry. He's not okay. Coming out your nose? Hot tea coming out his nose. Yeah, right?
That's kind of almost like the colon cleanse.
Yeah, right?
I think so.
They probably saw my pajama bottoms.
Mascara running everywhere. Woo, okay, pull it together.
I'm ready.
Pull it together. Did we even talk about the tea?
No, let's start over.
I don't think I can start over.
It's growing on me. Time for questions.
Okay. Okay, so I was reading all the comments and it looks like the heated seats are winning the poll on...
Huh?
There's only a couple of us who do not like the warmed bottoms.
I don't know. I like it.
Apparently people like your bottoms hot. I don't know. All right, Hannah Costa, are the Teamy tumblers glass or plastic? Okay, so both the inside that comes out, wait, do we have one? Okay, so she's talking about this. I can get it open. There's an insert. They are both plastic. And the bottom, everything's plastic in here. So it's all plastic, but it still keeps your tea really warm or really cold. I've used mine for like lemon water and stuff too. So yeah, so that's the answer to that. And then she was asking if we're doing it for health reasons or just for fun to try it out or to lose weight. And we're kind of just doing it for fun to try it out. Teamy approached me and said, hey, do you guys want to try this out? And so I said, sure. So I tried it. I liked it. And so we got one for Jason. So now he's doing it.
Yep.
Is tonight a colon cleanse night?
Tonight is a colon cleanse
I
night.
almost hate to ask.
And I had chili.
Round 3. Okay.
Anyway, yes, my colon cleanse is tonight.
All right.
And I will be drinking one cleansing tea. And so, it should be good. My father-in-law's coming up tomorrow. I'm just gonna tell him and be like, don't mind me. At least we're outside. Okay, so Kelly Albertsons wants to know if you can use the steam mop on laminate flooring.
Yes. Actually, I looked that up for you, and we have laminate, like kind of, it's like laminate wood or something in the basement, and you can use it on hardwood, tile, laminate. I think you can use it on anything, actually. It just puts steam out. It doesn't put a whole lot of water, so I think it's better for most floors because it doesn't get a ton of water on your floor, and it dries like almost instantly. So.
Okay, Debbie O'Brien, did you put up lights outside? Yes. We didn't do quite as many this year, but we did put lights on the house and then like some little lights along the path.
We showed it, I think, in Vlogmas Day 2, or maybe it was 3, I can't remember. And we kind of like bailed on the outside lights a little bit this year. We were both feeling kind of lazy, so Jason put them up on the roof line. And then yeah, we put up those little ones that were like along our sidewalk. And then normally we do our big trees and we have stuff in the yard. And we didn't do any of that this year.
No.
As a matter of fact, half the time I'm forgetting to turn them on at night. We need to put a timer. I need you to put a timer
Okay.
out there. Because I feel like we're like the Scroogey house of the neighborhood this year, because usually we're all lit up and we're not. We're lame. I kind of did that inside too. I didn't put up all our inside stuff either. I kind of like put up like half our stuff and then just lost steam, and I don't know. I feel like I just want a more simple Christmas this year without a lot of work afterward.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Kathleen Rackow says, Erica, have you ever signed up for a quilting class? And she has a couple questions. So, no, I haven't ever taken a quilting class, but I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos and I've done like quilt-alongs and things like that, but pretty much self-taught. She also asked, Jason, are you a fan of hockey?
Yeah, actually I wasn't really until my kids started playing, so.
I love hockey, it's fun to watch.
It's fun to watch, but
it's
yeah.
Fast-paced game.
Yeah. And we've been to a few Avalanche games, those were fun.
And the DU game was actually really fun.
Yeah, the DU game was fun.
Yeah.
So I'm not like as much of a hockey fan as I'm a football fan, but I do enjoy hockey, yes.
Yeah, and then she also asked who came up with the idea of the Christmas Express. Well, we didn't really. It's from the Polar Express when they get their tickets and they go on the train, and we just kind of turned it into like a fun activity that we could do every year because my kids kind of liked that movie, and so I just made up golden tickets, we printed them up, and now every year we've been punching the same ones, so I don't know how many holes they have in them. We've been doing it for like 5 or 6 years now. I don't know. Oh wow. Anyways, it's fun. It's probably one of their most favorite things, and that reminds me we haven't done it yet.
Okay guys, that's it for us tonight. We will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
I want this to taste better than it does.
Snort it. Tastes pretty good.
Not advised.
You don't want to talk about the colon cleanse anymore?
I don't want to know. I don't want to know
Or
anymore.
the nose cleanse, or the chili,
No.
or how I'm gonna go shooting with your dad tomorrow.
I know. Oh my gosh.
And it's gonna be like,
You're gonna have
what was that? I don't know.
to just try and do it when you shoot.
It's like a
Like at the
stone.
same time.
Well, we'll have your protection. I ain't worried about the internet. It's
Just worried about it.
like, what is that smell? Maybe I should just do it right when we get there, so it's like just normal. It's kind of like, yeah, the range kind of smells, but.
Hold on, I can't recover. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need a minute. I am like not gonna. Oh my gosh, dude, this is gonna be so much editing. It's like not even funny.
Come sit down. You're
I'm
like a
going
giggly
to.
little schoolgirl.
But I'm like crying.